How do you as a taxpayer know when you're ready to take a case to appeals? What should you be thinking about? Well, it comes down to this. Did the IRS get the facts right? Did they get the law right? If they're wrong on either account, they could have reached an improper legal conclusion and unfairly assessed you with tax penalties and interest. Actually, it's my job to fairly assess whether you could potentially benefit from filing an appeal, and I always do a cost-benefit analysis. The cost of bringing the appeal versus the potential decrease in tax penalties and interest. I will rarely bring up an appeal unless I think you're going to be better off financially fighting the issue. And I'm the first one to tell you whether I think you've got a case or not. Bottom line is this: you're in a position to appeal when you can persuasively and eloquently make your case as to why the IRS is wrong and you're right. As I said before, valid grounds for an appeal is where you can disagree with the IRS's findings because they misapplied the law, they're misapplying the underlying facts, and therefore taking an improper position. If you need help in deciding whether you should bring an appeal or not, run your case by a professional such as myself. There are lots of good tax attorneys out there. My job is to eloquently make a legal case in writing why you should prevail. What is the case law that I'm relying on? What's the Internal Revenue Code that I'm relying on? What is the persuasive authority, primary authority that I'm relying on to give them basis in the law that's on your side? And which facts am I pointing to that say I should get the legal result of that primary authority? An appeal may also be proper when you think the IRS is unlawfully collecting from you, taking some sort of collection action that you disagree with. As in when they deny your reasonable offer and compromise, when they deny your reasonable installment agreement offer. If this is your situation, you'd be wisely served to hire effective and persuasive tax counsel to argue your case.